Hi guys, nice to see you again in this video. I want to take you go with me Asiatique The Riverfront in the Bangkok. Let's go! Thank you very much. After 15 minutes, I sit in the tuk-tuk. Now I at the door Asiatique already. First thing to do, I have to check my temperature and sign the name and my number. After that, have to clean my hand. Coronavirus this time, this page open 12 o'clock. Have to code midnight. If you want to come here, you have to check first. Yes, this is look quiet today because people just working in the Bangkok. This is popular place for Thai people and tourists like to come here. But this time it don't have people so much because this time in the Bangkok is coronavirus is very bad. Before this place is closed, just opened 1 week ago.
นี่จะเป็นแฮนด์เมดคัสตอมไทยแลนด์
สวยนะใบละ199หรอ
ปักสายต้นยาวได้เป็นปิ๊กค่ะ
This is so cute
อันนี้ร้อยเดียวกับ
Yes I have to go inside first and I come back because I just come here is 2 minutes I don't want to buy anything and take this go with me inside there look at that inside here is have the taxi like this and inside here is have restaurant or coffee shop for sale coffee and have table outside is over there. Yes, look, this is so nice and look beautiful and this is the rose is very clean. Have a lot for selfie and take photo. Yes, now I just come here is 5 minutes and keep walk around here because have many place and many restaurant and coffee shop is very nice. We can relax here first. And today is have night weather. It's not hot in the Bangkok. It's good for come here evening. Same this time is 4 o'clock.
Yes, when have coronavirus this time in the Bangkok, everywhere I go popular, have many people before, but this time it look quiet like this. I so sad for first time for me to see something like this because I think when I come here, it's a lot of the people.
And have something like this I can show you. Same people driving the boat like this. And have the shop people sell the t-shirt like this and this shop is people sell the bag. Yes, people come here for take photo and look around. Have beautiful bag and the shoe too is cheap here, not expensive.
And have people paint the wall. It look beautiful, good for someone want to come here for take photo.
I have to take you go this way first because look nice and today we can walk around here because we have time. Look at that, it's so cute. I have to say I really like the dress this color blue, it look nice like this. I want to buy bikini but my hotel I stay is coronavirus is people closed. When I buy this and I don't know where I can go swimming because this time hotel is don't open swimming pool. I stay in Bangkok is 6 nights already.
Now I find jewelry. Yes, I want to buy ring for myself. For one is 80 baht.
And have many restaurant here. It's very nice table but have to close because coronavirus. Have the boat, this is very big and have restaurant inside there but I can go ask people when I want to go eat inside the boat how I can do. Maybe have to book first or maybe go to ask with people and just people open the window and can sit inside I don't know about that because I come here is first time. Yes, this is very nice. And before I think is cold today because coronavirus in the Bangkok is really bad. But lately, corona in Bangkok is have to close somewhere, but not this place. Yes, when you come to Thailand, I think it's good for you come here because you have nice view and have this nice restaurant and have the big boat. And this area is very clean. This is very good for shopping and relax. It's good for baby to have something like that and look so like that too. Yeah, there is very nice people, and when we smile for people and just people smile back for you. This is Thailand. It's very good people, and people here is very good heart. I have to say that. แย่แล้วไม่เป็นไรค่ะ He want to give for me
แต่
this
ว่ารักษาด้วยนี่ครับป้องกันโควิดด้วยการฉีดแอลกอฮอล์ตลอดนะฮะไม่เจอติดโควิดจากพวกผมแน่นอนเอาภูเขาให้ไหมครับเอาอยู่
Thank you very much.
อ๋อ
Yes, he give for me one. I have to say thank you him. ขอบคุณมากค่ะ Yellow I like. Yes, now I just take you walk around here and enjoy with the view. This is very nice. Yes, I like this because tomorrow I have to leave Bangkok and I come here for watching because first time for me. I come here is late and I cannot to walk around because this is very big. It's better I think it's come 3 o'clock afternoon, but I come here is evening already and cannot walk around here. And this is the door for go out. It's very nice. Restaurant is look good for seat. Okay, now time for riding because I so thirsty. Wow, look at that. Very nice for you.
น้ำไม่ปั่นมันจะเข้มข้นกว่าเพราะว่ามันไว้สำหรับปั่นถูกไหมครับมันไว้สำหรับเอากี่แก้วดีครับ
เอาแก้วหนึ่งไม่ปั่นค่ะ
แก้วหนึ่งไม่ปั่นนะครับ
I just order one.
ครับ
Now it's raining. Look at that. In the Bangkok now it start raining. People just run. Thai people don't like to go outside the rain. Same me. ขายดีไหมคะ
ก็พอได้ครับผมแต่มันก็จะเป็นแบบเงียบๆบ้างอะไรอย่างเงี้ย
ใช่ไหม โควิดอะเนาะดีนะไม่สั่งปิด
นี่ที่ไม่สั่งปิดตอนแรกจะคนสุดท้ายแล้วแหละเดี๋ยวผมปิดแล้ว
เอาจริงเดี๋ยว
พอดีฝนตกด้วยครับปกติฝนไม่ตกคนก็เริ่มเงียบ
คนกลับบ้านใช่ไหม
ครับผมหลับตอนนี้ได้เลยนะครับ
We just go inside here. Oh my god. We just walk around here because now it's start dark already. And everywhere here is red now because it's rain.
สวัสดีครับคุณสวยสวย
สวัสดีค่ะ
ครับ
What you sell?
I buy for this
Oh, you live here? You live in Thailand?
yeah
Oh, really?
I live in now 2 years
2 years in Thailand?
yeah
In the Bangkok?
yeah Bangkok yeah
Good for you because everyone want to come to Thailand.
people nice what your country nice anybody nice my name Dr. Sutlo
Oh, Dr. Solo.
you know
Big boss.
Big boss from Luxranda.
Where you come from?
I am Dubai. This is Luxranda. Saharat Arab Emirates. Dubai. UAE.
Oh, Dubai. Yeah.
Thailand dollar.
Thailand very good, yeah.
Here Thailand. Hi, how are you?
I am good, thank you.
I've been in Bangkok 2 weeks ago. It's very beautiful country. We love Bangkok and Thailand and Thailand people. They are very humble people, very nice people. Yeah, I'm here. I'm looking for a wife, new wife.
You have already or not? Or just looking?
No, I divorced. You know, I was single or married.
Now you single.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you. And with coronavirus, right, this some shop is closed, but some shop is open. Sometimes it's light go on, sometimes it's not working. I have to say thank you very much for watching my video. Stay safe and healthy. You can leave your comments below. I can read all comments. Now I have to go. Bye bye. See you next video.